Welcome to the home of Crown Point Customs. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to Crown Point Customs. You saw last episode, I showed you the buck skinners that came out of the coffee edge. We lost audio, I'm not sure what happened right now, but you can see I'm drilling the holes in the scales and counterboring them to set the Corby bolts with the epoxy. Maybe it just needs to be deburred. You know what's gonna be cool, man?
Talk to me about that.
Seeing a dead buck with this thing, the picture I get. Now it's happy. I think I'll cut it off right there. It's like a looking here. I'd buy that. Damn near ready for epoxy. I have an idea. You just cut them off like a normal pin, but I have an idea. I think I'm gonna mark how far they sit down. I'm gonna get a hacksaw and cut new grooves way down here, so I could screw them once they're, and they can unscrew them. That's what I think I'm gonna do. So then they're gonna be below the knurls.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm glad you just asked me that, because that's the part I'm on right now. God, it's gonna be a dope ass. Hella grippy. Cool. Mark those out. So right now, everything's dry run. It should go right together. So now I'm mixing, I use G-Flex epoxy. Mix part A with part B with the right amount of hardener. Bake for 350 till golden brown. Like normal, put way too much. Okay, now what we're gonna do here is just spread even coat. You're gonna screw this up, aren't you? Oh, come here, Ty. You can just drop them there, man. Thank you. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Ooh, Corby. Those things set up nice. I'm gonna put a little extra clampage on there, because I don't play. All right, cool. Clamp army. Got a small army today. Now it's grocery time, aka COVID workout. All right, next, so That's drying, that handle's drying. So I think I'm gonna, before I start cleaning these up, I'm gonna pick up on this. I etched it with the wood on there, see how it was gonna turn out. It was terrible. So now I'm gonna try to buff it all out and then restain it. And then I think I'm gonna leave these shiny, nice and polished. So we'll see how it turns out. Kind of screwed up a little bit, but away she goes. So I just got done, buffing all the crap off of this from etching it. It's actually coming out pretty good. I like it, and I don't want it to look too perfect. I don't, because it's supposed to be Renaissance, and if it's too perfect, I want it rustic, like it's about to, yeah, so I'm happy with it. So I think I'm gonna dip it, give it a little sheen, maybe even a little sheen to the wood, protect a little bit, so. Where are ya? Is that even gonna fit in there? Let's see what it looks like going down. Sure. Oh, let's see how it's gonna look. Cool. We'll see how that does. That's drying. I got the handle. I'm happy with that. I got a nice dark wood on it, and I put some was it True Oil on it, and it's drying. I'm happy with it. It looks kind of rustic. And then this is drying. This is the buck skinner. So that's drying. Give that another 24 hours. So now I'm gonna switch gears again, suit up, and finish the bevels on these. Clean these up after heat treat. So I'll finish the bevels and knock the scale and crap off them.